Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and if this is your first time here, great to have you. Make sure to smash that subscribe button and tap the notification bell, so you never miss the latest game hacks, guides, and updates I've got lined up. Today, I'm going to show you a super chill hack method to get unlimited cash and coins in Ludo Club. No PC needed, no sketchy downloads, and absolutely zero rooting or jailbreaking involved. I gave it a shot myself, and the cash and coins landed in my account fast. Let's go through it step by step. It's way easier than you might think. First thing you'll need is your player ID from Ludo Club. Just launch the Ludo Club, tap on your profile settings, and there it is, a string of numbers that's unique to you. Copy it down or screenshot it so you have it handy for the next step. Got it? Sweet, let's move on. Next, open your phone's browser, Safari, Chrome, whatever, and head over to the site I'll be using today. This site is loaded with tools for tons of popular mobile games. Type in Ludo Club into the search bar, select it, and it'll take you right to the generator page. Simple, right? Let's keep it going. Once the page loads, you'll see a quick form to fill out. Select your device, Android or iOS, and paste in your player ID from earlier. Double-check everything's typed in correctly, then hit proceed. The tool will start syncing with your account. Usually takes just a few seconds. And yeah, it's all encrypted and protected, so it's totally safe to use. Now it's time to choose how much resources you want to add. Pick the amount that suits you, hit proceed again, and let the generator do its thing. It's handling all the server-side stuff, encrypting, connecting, verifying, all behind the scenes while you chill for a moment. Almost done. Before the resources show up, you'll need to pass a quick human check. It's just to make sure the tool isn't being spammed by bots. Usually it asks you to download a free app and use it for a minute or two. It's pretty straightforward, and most of the time there's even a walkthrough video right there to help you out. Finish that up and you're golden. That's it! Open Ludo Club and you should see your cash and coins ready and waiting. I've gone through the exact process myself, and it works just as expected. No more grinding, no in-app purchases, just more time enjoying the game. And there you have it! A full walkthrough on how to score unlimited cash and coins in Ludo Club. Quick, easy, and totally safe hack method. If this video helped you out, hit that like button and share it with your squad. Got stuck or have questions? Drop them in the comments. I check them often, and I'm always down to help. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on those notifications, so you're the first to see the next guide or mobile hack I post. Thanks for watching, enjoy the game, and I'll catch you in the next video.